Today we are looking for stuff to compile to make our very own DIY advent calendar. So that's gonna be the first thing. Welcome to Vlogmas episode 1. Woohoo! I don't have any thing to put in front of it, so I make my own sound effects. Pew, 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 pew. So we are here in Gulf City Mall. I'm looking for a park so that I can come out of the car and look for lovely things to compile to make my own little advent calendar. I decided that I will make my own. I like Thanos vibe. I'll do it myself. That's my epic Thanos voice. So come along for the ride, come along for the journey. The first stop on the agenda is here, the fortune shop. So let's go in the fortune shop and see what we find. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna need to get is cups. We're looking for some big cups to make Christmas decorations. So let's see what we find. If you need to do Christmas shopping as well, they also have a lot of options of things. I know I'm making an advent calendar, but there's a lot of things you can do as well to put together. Look, they have little packs if you have a child that wants a little cricket, a little thing, a little that. You know, they have a lot of fun things that you can do. I'll buy to play with and have fun with, and they're not expensive at all. You know, so little options of things. Look, they have a little dinosaur set here, $20. The popping thing here, $17. They have a little doctor kit. Yeah, a lot of cute little things. Some bigger children toys, little children toys, books, notepads. Yeah, so you can check them out by Gulf City Mall and get some things. Alright, back to the advent calendar. Alright guys, so we just went and bought the cups and some tape. I think it's 3 things I buy. Oh, I just buy a snack for so. We have the cups, we have the tape. So next is to just run to the grocery to pick up a few items to put into the cups to put it all together. I forgot to buy the crazy glue, but that's okay because we have crazy glue home. Hopefully we have enough. Otherwise, hopefully the tape will be enough. I buy a thick masking tape, so that should cover it. So we head into the grocery. Let's see if we find what we need there, and then we'll go forward from there. Also, if you're watching this video and you just feel led in such a way that you want to like, you want to share, you want to subscribe to my channel, well, hey, I will be so thankful and appreciative of you. Alright, so come with me. Let's go and see what else is in store. Sorry, I didn't finish the rhyme there. So come with me and we will see what else is in store that may be purchasable for us this year. An advent calendar. Sing and share. Judge me not. So I took a detour. I came to Better Value. I don't know if anybody remembers Better Value. Yes, I am here, and I think that they may have some cool little random things that you could buy and put together. So, I mean, it's funny. It probably needs to wash, but if you give them a try, yeah, why not? Why not? Give Better Value a try. And they have some nice little charts and thing. $11 for charts. Come back and get a chart. Yeah, so let's see what we find here in Better Value. If the value is better, nobody will be upset about it. And then we will go on again to GTA. Try me, press for sound. Funny. Alright, so I'm sure we could find something. Let's see. We must find something. We must find something. Alright, sorry. I was hopeful, but I'm gonna give up. Yeah. I was determined to at least find one item that I could buy here. Boom. See, I didn't get anything now. See, I didn't get anything. Alright, so we're going to go downstairs, cash this item, and we have our first item for the advent calendar. What I will do is just put in these smaller things and then kind of separate them, because some of the things here I wouldn't let her play with, but some of them is fine, but it's $14.95, so that's okay. So let's go back downstairs and see what else we can do now in GTA. Alright guys, so we did it. That was our time at better value, but the value was better. That's not a slogan, I just given them one. But now we're going to make our way to GTA. We have about 10 minutes in GTA because we need to hurry up. So let's do this quickly. We're going to GTA and then to actually compile the advent calendar. It's gonna mostly be snacks. I'm seeing it from now because I'm not finding any nice toys. So it's snacks and pre-existing toys that we will be putting inside of this thing. Already seeing it happening. But that's okay, that's okay, that's okay, that's okay, that's okay. Because it's more about the daughter. It's not really about us. We don't need anything new. Yeah, just for the fun, the joy of the child being like, woo! Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so as of this video, Niall is lactose intolerant. So we have to compile our items of things that are dairy-free, lactose-free, and safe for consumption by the, not baby, but I want to say that just for rhyming sake. We have gummies at home, we don't need gummies. So some of them will have the same thing because she's a child and she's not gonna be like, I get this yesterday, I hope. But we're just trying to see what cool things we can get to compile to make it real cool. If she could have get dairy, it would be nice, but it's alright, it's fine. You know, positivity throughout, straight through and through. We're gonna keep a positive mindset, and I will say as of this video, because in Jesus' name we declare that she will be healed and able to consume dairy. Just because I want to buy a pizza, I mean for her too, but I want pizza. Yeah, so let's see what we find. We're gonna just do a haul at the end of it, so I'm gonna hurry up, run through the grocery here and see what I get. Guys, we finished our GTA tour. Woohoo! Still be known sound effects. So now we're gonna go compile this advent calendar, put it all together, and see how brilliant it will be. I'm hopeful. I'm very hopeful. Confidence is everything, you know. They really said that confidence is everything. Another note, if you have something and it's not fastened, don't drive through potholes. So I just like, I'm not talking about something from experience. It's not that my camera just fell or anything. It's just in case you happen to, you know. Yeah. Compilation time. Alright guys, so we are at home. I am literally holding a light in my hand because I felt a bit lazy to go and get the tripod. Forgive me. So these are the items that we have to compile, to put together to make the advent calendar. We have a little bunny here, we have some cars, a little musical instruments. We have some snacks. These are the cups to put it in. We have a little gingerbread house. That's, look, nobody home. Somebody home? Anybody home? Anybody home? Yeah, so we're gonna see what we can do with this. Question: have you ever made an advent calendar? One. What were some good advent calendar options you decided to put in it? Because it's quite possible along the way I may swap out some items because we want to stretch it out for all the 25 days and then still to go and do the actual Christmas Day shopping to decide what she will get for Christmas Day. Woo, so stay tuned, come back for more if you made it through this whole thing. Well, I am proud of you and I'm happy to have you here. Again, my name is Nyami, thank you for watching this video, and my clothes is going to be different for the hyperlapse because I'm going to bathe, change, and then get into it. Alright, so let's do this hyperlapse thing. Alright guys, sorry I'm so up close and personal, but we're back again. We're going to do the advent calendar. We're sleepy, so it's going to be a quick one. Wife in the background, and what do you want to say? We're just going to do it. We're just going to hyperlapse this, put it together, and then in the next vlogmas come back to see Niall's reaction when she sees it. Engaged hyperlapse. We're not yet finished, but I'm going to allow you to go and sleep. Not me. I'm not sleeping. Come back for tomorrow's video to see how the advent calendar turned out. Yeah, because I have to give you something to come back to. I just put everything in at one time. Right, so thanks for watching us do most of it so far. It's looking so beautifully. So I just want you to come back, see what it looked like, see Niall's reaction. So thank you for watching. Again, if you decide to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, well, I be so happy. Alright, so don't forget, live, laugh, photograph, and see you all in the next video.